Picture yourself in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.